Gonna come alive, feel the soul. Gonna travel space time. Gonna mission to free your mind. This is grand, Paris day. Feel like Jonah in the whip.
Sup guys, it's been a while. I realized this morning I haven't vlogged for 16 months, which is crazy. I've been filming YouTube videos now and then, but it's still probably been like 6 months since I've filmed by myself. Anyway, gotta put contacts on. This is gonna creep some people out. So I've got a photo shoot today and I only found out about it 2 days ago. I'm not super prepared, but thankfully I don't really need to be. I didn't need to be tanned. I didn't even need to wash my hair. One of the main reasons I'm very excited is that we're working in a studio. I've modeled in a studio very briefly for like 5 minutes after a makeup test. Since I'm a photographer myself, I really want to work with photographers that either have a similar skill level to me or better, or a different style. The last thing I would want is to receive photos and I think they're not good enough to post, and then the photographer will wonder why I'm not posting them, and it's just a bit awkward. So I feel like the best way to avoid that is to just be very picky with who I'm working with. I feel like that foundation is gonna be way too dark. It's for when I'm tanned. Also working with a stylist today, which I have never done before and I have always wanted to. I find fashion stylists so fascinating, the way that they work. Not that I've been around it too much, just on film sets a little bit. It really takes the pressure off knowing I don't have to pick outfits because I'm not particularly good with fashion. I don't really buy clothes very often, so I'm often just repeating the exact same outfits or wearing stuff I'm not that happy with. Feeling someone may notice that I am still using makeup that's tested on animals. The reason is I still have a crap load of it. Now are all cruelty free and mostly vegan. I'm also working with a hairstylist today, which is amazing news because I am hopeless with my hair. It is a little daunting at times when I'm working with new people. I have no actual training at all. Like, a lot of it's just me trying things and then it works. I'm like, okay, I'll take note. Always worried I'm gonna rock up and they'll comment on my height because I'm quite short, or my size because I'm not a size 6. I'm not teeny tiny. It's great when people are that size naturally and it's healthy for them, but it's quite scary to push that kind of pressure on people that might not be achievable or healthy for. Right now, I'm just looking at this acne right here and I'm feeling so bad for the photographer while editing. Quite a few people do edit out really obvious pimples, so I'm like, oh, that's gonna be a pain for her. I always make sure to eat at least a banana before a photo shoot. I sometimes used to not eat before a photo shoot and I knew that that was toxic behavior, so it really didn't last for long. Then I didn't have enough energy for the shoot and I wasn't in the best mood that I could be in. So I'm definitely strict on myself now. I make sure that I've eaten something, fueled up before I go, because I would much rather have a tiny tummy and have more energy and be taking care of myself than have a flat stomach and be hating the experience. A lesson that I learned recently on a shoot is that if I am rocking up in clothing that I won't actually be wearing throughout the shoot, then I need it to be loose fitting clothes, because recently I was wearing a crop top and lowrider pants for a photo shoot. And when I arrived, I was wearing high-waisted, tight jeans with a belt. By the time the photos were taken, I still had massive creases and lines from the jeans. It looked so unflattering. Also, future me, please buy some nude underwear because I keep needing them for photo shoots and I only have nude G-strings and I'm wearing one today. I'm gonna feel very naked and it's a little scary, so I've got to buy some regular nude underwear sometime. I think I'm nearly ready. I'm excited.
Just you're pretending. Truth or false, this shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason right. Let's take our time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stick or jello. I got room and make amends, but can't go through the same regrets. It could feel so good on mine. Not about love, again. And I know you're the safest bet. Yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we step or jello.
I'm looking a little bit different right now because it is 7 p.m. the next day after having the photo shoot. When I came home last night, I only had about half an hour to just relax, and then I went out to dinner with my boyfriend's family. And then today I was watching my boyfriend play footy in the morning, and then I had a photo shoot during the day, as in me taking photos. It's been a little bit hectic, but I wanted to reflect a little bit because it was such an incredible experience. Everyone who was on set yesterday were so lovely. The hairstylist, the fashion designer, the photographer, the 3 other models, and just other people helping out. They were all so lovely, which made the experience really comfortable, which was weird because it was something that was very out of my comfort zone, yet the whole time I just felt very supported and everyone was just there to help create art. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys would like to see more of, because this was a very fun video for me to film. I recently found some of my videos from Sri Lanka, lost most of it when my hard drive corrupted, but I'm thinking of making a little 1-minute montage video of the experience. That will probably be my next video after this. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.